guys, welcome to Brand New Life. I'm James.
I'm Delisa.
And this is Jade B. Well, it's 6:17. This is James with Brand New Life. I'm leaving the RV park, which is Pilot Knoll River Park. That is in Highland Village, Texas. Pretty nice place. Very inexpensive, lovely little spot. Headed to go get baby. She had to work last night. So it's 6:17. Here to pick her up. So I want to get a little bit of footage of what I have to go through just to get there. But anyway, I'm gonna let that run for a while and go get my baby. This is James from Brand New Life. Headed back to the bus after picking up my baby from work. I got a witness. She over there knocked out. She probably have a fit if I got her on video being asleep like that. But anyway, we're headed back to the bus. You'll get a chance to see the little park where the horse is like. But anyway, that's where we're headed. We're on Lake Louisville. Absolutely lovely little park. Plenty of room, but you'll get a chance to see it in just a minute. It's the little road that leads to the camping area and / RV park. We're headed in. We've been out here 2 weeks. Loved every minute of it. Every minute of it. Coming up, you're gonna see Jade B in a minute. There she is. There she is. There she is. She's still a work in progress. But there she is. There she is. We're kind of like on an island. We're gonna move over to another spot tomorrow around like 2 o'clock. And we'll be there for a few days and then headed to another RV park. But this is where we're at. Hey chick, time to get up, chick. Here's your backpack. Let's get you situated. And just take a little view of this thing so that everybody can see them. Okay. Okay. We'll be moving to an area approximately right there. That'll be where we're back into tomorrow. So this is where we're at. This is like a little finger or little islet reaching off into the lake. The lake actually covers about 10 cities or better are touching it or on it. So it's a pretty huge lake. Pretty nice. So what I'm gonna do is invest in me a fishing license so that I can go fishing. Right now it's too cold though. All right, guys. Bye.
Hey guys, this is James with Brent New Life on the bus. I'm just in here having a little bit of fun. This is what I do when I'm bored. This is Sunday. So I'm in here racing. Just tell you what, jumped off the TV. We'll go back and put it back on. Can't expect two screen. Here we go, we're getting ready to race. This is Asphalt 9 Legends, and I'm playing it off with a tablet on the phone. That's fun. Let's see, trying to build up some stuff. Everybody's gonna be listening. Let's play. Here we go. Get it. Uh-oh. Oh, get it. Get it. finish line. Boom. Smoked it. First place. Smoked yeah.